I got this mattress thingy at the dump, and it came with this giant lump. I haven't bothered to look.
Oh, lump.
Okay, so, wait. Where's Phil?
He's probably...
We didn't even take him to the dump.
He's probably wandering somewhere. Don't worry.
How come you don't ever care?
He always comes back. That's why I don't care.
Whatever. I'm just gonna look what's under here.
Is that like some dead guy or
It's
something?
Phil!
What the heck? Phil, get up.
How long have you been in there? Phil, get up. Ugh. Okay, drastic measures time. Oh, okay, no, oh, please.
Run away. Phil, go find him. Go find Hunice. Go find Hunice, Phil. Go get him. He's in those doors over there.
Hello?
I guess I'm alone.
Make sure your mom's here! What the heck?
I'll see you guys next time.